falling into Monday.
Red Row at its best.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No, too much money. It's no good operator.
These are little longs we're going to pull out our trusty dikes we've had for 10 years and shorten these wires up a little bit. Damn it, Kyle!
Guy just walked straight in the fucking bay. What a mong. How have you managed that? You sacked. You are sacked. Oh shit.
On today's episode of Whack Fuck. Nice.